5 seconds. When history is co-opted by ideologically overzealous elements, expect the facts to die a quick death and objectivity to be sacrificed at the altar of politics. Full stop. In this regard, the decision by India's ruling BJP to mark August 14, Pakistan's Independence Day as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day is highly provocative and entirely unnecessary. Full stop. India's Prime Minister had announced that the day would be observed last year. Full stop. But rather than genuinely contemplating on the bloodshed that marked the painful partition of undivided India, the BJP is using the events of 1947 and their remembrance as a political gimmick to please its rabid vote bank, which willingly laps up all anti-Pakistan, anti-Muslim moves. Full stop. The Foreign Office has termed India's decision mischievous and asked Delhi to desist from politicizing the events of independence. Full stop. Para. By all means, 1947 witnessed one of the greatest mass migration of human history, and atrocities were committed by all sides as communal frenzy enveloped the subcontinent. Full stop. Questions can genuinely be asked about the way partition was carried out, and for example, what role the British rulers could have played to ensure a more orderly division of India into two independent dominions. Full stop. But it is safe to assume the peculiarities of history are not the primary motive for the BJP to mark Partition Horrors Day. Full stop. It is simply about making Muslims look bad as the ultimate villains in story of partition. Full stop. After all, the Sangh Parivar views partition as a great tragedy in which Muslims broke Mother India. Full stop. Moreover, the Sangh seeks to rebuild the mythological construct of Akhand Bharat, a massive questionable entity that supposedly stretched from Myanmar to Afghanistan. Full stop. Such fantasies aside, the BJP's move to mark Partition Horrors Day will further shrink the space for Indian Muslims, especially if the event becomes a major annual feature in India. Full stop. After all, especially under Narendra Modi's watch, Indian Muslims are increasingly coming under pressure to prove their patriotism, even though their forefathers have been living in the subcontinent for centuries. Full stop.